Ever wondered how to create a professional looking itinerary without spending hours designing from scratch? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a complete itinerary on Canva, step by step, so you can plan your trips or share your travel plans effortlessly. Start by opening Canva and typing itinerary in the search bar. You'll see a variety of pre-made templates designed for every style, from simple daily planners to detailed travel guides. You can pick one that fits your needs or start with a blank document if you want complete creative control. Once you have your template, it's time to make it yours. Click on the text boxes to edit your schedule, destinations, or notes. Change fonts, adjust colors, and add shapes or icons to highlight important details. You can also upload your own photos or choose from Canva's extensive library to give your itinerary a personal touch. If you're creating a digital itinerary, you can take it a step further by adding hyperlinks. Link pages, destinations, hotel bookings, or transportation info directly, so anyone using your itinerary can navigate seamlessly. When everything looks perfect, download your design as a clickable PDF. Now, you have a clean, interactive itinerary that's ready to share or use for your next adventure. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to design itineraries that are both beautiful and functional. Start creating today and make your travel planning easier, faster, and more organized than ever.